Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. I'm your English teacher and today we are going to learn another lesson, the third kind of noun. In our previous lesson we have covered the first two kinds of noun, common noun and proper noun. And today we are going to deal with third one as well. So, first of all, let's understand what a collection noun is. A collection noun is the name of a collection of persons or things of the same kind considered as one complete whole. कलेक्टिव नाउन उस नाउन को कहते हैं जो किसी ग्रुप या जमा चीज़ों को जाहिर करे. For example, a group of soldiers, a group of players, a group of people, a group of class, okay, a group of students. Instead of saying a group, English has special words for these groups, and these words are called collective noun. Now, let us look at some examples from here. The word army stands for a collection of soldiers. यानी soldiers का group army कहलाता है. The word team stands for a collection of players. Here, group of player is called as a team. The word crowd stands for a collection of people. जब बहुत से लोग एक जगह इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं तो उसे crowd कहते हैं यानी हजूम. And that crowd is stands for collection of people. Last one is the word class stands for collection of students. Students का group class होता है. So these words show many people together as one group. That is why they are called collective nouns. As its name is depicting collective, these words show many people together as one group. Now let us complete the exercise number 3 by this concept on page number 7. Let's revise. So today we learned that collective nouns are the words that name a group of people, animal or things. Each of the phrases below requires a collective noun. Complete each phrase by writing in the missing collective noun. Choose from the following. Number one is a fleet of ships. Second is a herd of cattle. Third is a band of musicians. Fourth is a regiment of soldiers. Fifth one is a bouquet of flowers. Sixth is a flock of sheep. Seventh is a bunch of bananas. Eighth is a pack of cards. So students, your task is to write these collective nouns here on the books and then learn them and write it in your own notebooks. Make sure your writing must be neat and clear. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.